Welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. I'm Natasha, and it's been a while. I'm looking at my lens. It seems like it's, hold on, let me get it real quick. Well, this is not the proper way to clean it, but okay, I'm gonna go with it for now. But it's been a long time, seems like, since I've uploaded a video on this channel. I have so many reviews that I have done but have not finished filming. So I'm gonna be working on getting that out and get it uploaded to the channel as soon as possible. Okay, so it's that time of the month again. I have another curl box. It just came 12:45. It just came about 12:30, and I've already taken it out of the shipping box, but I have not looked inside. So let's see together what we got this month. Hope all of you are being safe out there with everything still going on, coronavirus, pandemic, whatever you choose to call it. So upon first opening it, we have this nice, these are always nice. I think they are always done very well. I like to look at this last because that gives away what's actually inside of the box. So let's see, what do we have for the month of August? Wait a minute. Did I get these products with Curl Kit? Hold on. I'm going to have to go back and look back because I have these same products already. Hydrating and Strengthening Deep Conditioner. Wait a minute now. Curlbox. No, you're not trying to pull a Curl Kit. But I didn't get this one. The Biotin and Aloe Vera Nourishing and Styling Gel. Now, I didn't receive this one when I did receive their products. So, that's cool. And I did, and this is the Length Retention and Leave-In Cream. I received that one. I received this Restoring Hair and Scalp Oil already. And I did not receive the non-stripping shampoo, detox shampoo. So I'm trying to remember if I did. I'm gonna have to go back and look real quick if this was a Curl Kit box or a Curl box that I received these Dr. Miracle's products in already. But I did receive two different products of theirs that I didn't receive in the box that I did already receive. So that's a plus. I did not receive in this box this time, though, the stuff that I liked the most in the last box that I got, the Dr. Miracle's box, which was the, and I did a review on these products too. I did a review. I'll link that in this, right here in the cards. But it was that detangler. It's a pre-shampoo treatment. That stuff is so slippery and gives it so much slip. I like using that on the girls' hair before I get ready to do anything to their hair. And it just makes the hair so much more pliable. So out of the products that I did receive from them, I did like that the most. This is cool. Got a non-stripping detox shampoo and their styling gel. Only it's a biotin and aloe vera nourishing styling gel. So only thing is that it actually is any good. Let me smell. I like the way it smells. Smells very clean. Smells really good. It's not fragrancy and overpowering. Same with this. I really enjoy how they smell. They pretty much all smell the same, pretty much. Yeah, and I like the way they smell. Okay, so it was my March Curl Kit box that I received the Dr. Miracle's products in. So, whew, okay, I thought Curlbox was trying to pull another Curl Kit. But here, Curlbox, August 2020. And inside it just shows you what the products are. And it says bring the heat on the back. They weren't bad products. So I'm okay with it. I'm cool with it because I did get two different products in the line that I didn't get with the Curl Kit box. So yeah, that is the August, well, my August 2020 curl box. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you thumbs it up, share, don't be shy, say hi. And until next time, Lord say the same, you will see me in the next one. Keep it real. This is an old braid out that I have here that I'm rocking about, I think I did it on Thursday, so I just been replaiting it at night. Last night I didn't replait it, so that's why it's more bigger and wilder, because I didn't re-moisturize it or plait it or anything. So yeah, that's going on. That's what's up with the hair on today. But I like big full of hair on me. What you think?